Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? I am back to teach another line dance. And if you've never watched this channel before, this is the go-to channel to learn step-by-step instructions to a line dance. So if you like this channel, make sure you leave a comment, you hit the like button and subscribe. Also share this video with your family and friends. So guys, the next line dance is called Feel the Love. I feel like this is a classic. It's a whole line dance, and I want to give a shout out to Linda Jordan. She emailed me and she's like, you know what? She wanted me to put this on the NOLA Southern Experience playlist, so I thought I would teach it, okay? It's a classic, okay? So it's easy, it's a beginner's line dance, it's a four-wall dance, so make sure you learn the step-by-step instructions. So, speaking of feeling the love, I feel the love, guys. I see y'all registration. Y'all are so beautiful. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we're having a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. Let's Mess It Up So Line Dancing and myself is hosting a 4-day line dance weekend, and it's going to be beautiful. If you would like to attend, please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. You can read about the registration, all the details. You can book your hotel right there online and read about the entire itinerary, okay? So check that out on our website. Registration is still available. Guys, thank you so much for your support. Are y'all ready to get busy? Let's go. All right, so you stand on this side right here, facing in this direction. So we're gonna start with a step back. We're gonna rock back, rock, recover, and do a cha-cha up on the right. Here we go. Right, left, right, rock, left, right, left, back, right, left. So we start back on the rock, recover, right, rock, recover, left, then a rock, recover. Okay? Now we're going to do it. Turn to our left, a quarter turn. When we turn, when we step on that left, we go out right, out left, rock, recover, out right, out left, and rock, recover. Okay? We do that 2 times. So when we rock back, right, left, back, right, left, back, right, left. Okay? So let's put that together. Starting with the rock, recover. 5, 6, 7, and rock, recover, cha-cha, step up, cha-cha, rock back, turn, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. You see how you did that both of the rock recover? So you point out on the right, point out to the left, and right, left. Point out right, point out left, and right, left. From here, we're going to do a travel diagonal. So I did right, left. We go right, left, right, point. Right, left, right, point. Okay? So I walk up 3 times diagonal on the right, left, right. Point out on the left. Okay? Then we're going to cross over, right, left, and come sliding back on that left. Right, left, and then still slide back on the left. Okay? So here's point, cross, right, left, then slide back on the left, slide, and drag with the right. That's the dance, and you start over again, okay? So my right heel is up, that means I'm going somewhere, and then I start back with the rock, recover, stepping back. So let's put all that together. I told you it wasn't that hard, okay? Real simple, beginner line dance, but the music is so beautiful by Lena, okay? So here we go. Start with the rock, recover. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, rock, left, back, right, left, quarter turn, out right, out, left, rock, recover, right, left, out, right, out, left, rock, recover, diagonal walk, right, left, right, point, cross, step, slide back left, and drag with your right. So let's go, stay right here and go right back into it. Okay, so I step on my left and drag it with my right. As I drag, I'm gonna rock back. Right, left, cha-cha, up, left, right. Cha-cha, back, right, left quarter turn, out, right. Out, left, rock, recover, right, left, out, right. Out, left, rock, recover, diagonal walk. Right, left, right, point, cross, step, slide back left, drag with that right. Okay, as you do that, you're dragging, my weight is on my left, I rock back again, okay? That's it. Feel the love, feel the love. Thank you, Linda Jordan, for reminding me about this line dance. We used to do it a long time ago, and the music is so beautiful. So, here, I will put it right up here, okay? That's gonna be the demo, so check out the demo. So, these videos, you look at the dance. Well, I'm just dancing. Decide if you like it or not. And if you do, wait till the end of the video and you'll see the instructional. Come learn the step-by-step instructions with me, and then go back to the music and dance with me, okay? So I separate the videos. I do a demo without the music, instructional without the music, and then I do a demo with the music, because you never know. They might cut off the music, mute the music for some reason. I never know, so I always separate the videos, okay? So you get your instructionals, the instructional, then you go back with the music and you dance along with me. So make sure you check that out. And while you're checking that out, make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience. I would love to see you guys there. I know you're kind of waiting to see what this pandemic is going to do, but remember, it's going to be the summer months. The numbers are going to be down. We have a huge space, okay? So being cautious, being careful is our #1 priority for all our attendees, okay? So make sure you check out the 4-day NOLA Southern Experience, July 7th through the 10th, 2022. Grab your girlfriend, grab your family, and come and have a great time in New Orleans. Please visit our website for detailed information at www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.